Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling your phone's location services and choosing high accuracy mode so the game reads precise coordinates. Once done, open Mobile Legends and grant the location permission. This lets the game map teammates and objectives correctly. Make sure microphone and storage permissions are allowed too, because the game sometimes bundles them together. If you change settings, force close and reopen the app so permissions take effect. That ensures the GPS data flows from the OS to the game immediately. Next, you configure the in-game location tools so pings and markers land correctly on the minimap. Go to Settings, find the Map or Basic section, and enable Location or Minimap Location features. This links your GPS data with the game's coordinate system. Then set ping sensitivity and voice ping preferences so your calls are heard and shown accurately. Finally, jump into a custom match and test pings with a friend. This confirms markers align and avoids surprises in a ranked game. For final execution, you actively use short taps for enemy pings and long holds for objective markers so teammates see exact spots. Combine with voice pings to explain intent. If pings misalign or lag, make sure location is still enabled, then toggle it off and on, restart the device, and clear Mobile Legends cache to force a fresh GPS handshake. If problems persist, report to support with your device model, OS version, and a screenshot. That helps developers pinpoint map calibration bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.